Remember when we talked about this guy? This is the LA Girl Glow Envy bronzer, and I was like, if you guys want me to get this guy, this is from Physicians, it's upside down. It's from Physicians Formula. It's the diamond bronzer, and you guys were like, yeah, I get it. Well, I got it. Thank you, Amazon, for shipping so fast. I got it in the darker shade. So this one is in shade Deep Bronze Gem. The other one looked like it would be my skin color, or just not enough impact. This is what it looks like. The packaging is always really, really nice. Physicians Formula, I have to say, they do put a lot of like thought and effort into their packaging. Quick thing about this is a mineral wear. It is talc free. It's like a cream to powder kind of bronzer. Same situation as the LA Girl. It is more expensive though. Where LA Girl was about $8, this one, I got it on sale on Amazon and it was still about like $12, so it's like double the price. It's supposed to make your skin look radiant and bronzed. So again, this is the darker shade. It's called Deep Bronze Gem. Let's actually see what it looks like. And it has that same, like, it reminds me of the same texture as the LA Girl. I'll swatch them both, but I'm only gonna put this one on my face. I will link the LA Girl video here if you wanna see what that one looks like on my skin tone. I'm in love with this texture. I know I mentioned that before. They have a very similar texture. So this one, I don't know why, like, I don't know, there's something about this texture that I'm like, ooh, I like it. That's what it looks like. This is the Physicians Formula one. And then I'll swatch the LA Girl next to it. The LA Girl one's definitely like more moussey. So you can see on the swatch, the LA Girl one definitely pulls cooler, like there's like this rosiness to it, and then the Physicians Formula is like a straight up, like a bronzer. And the one thing I am seeing, this one does say the Physicians Formula, it says a luminous bronze from the swatch. Look, it does have more of like a luminous finish versus the LA Girl that's more matte. All right, I'm gonna take, this is a My Kit Co. Danessa Myricks brush, and I'm just gonna go in. I just wanna put this on my face and see what happens. So I'm gonna pick it up. Ooh, yes. Significantly different compared to the LA Girl one. This is a good bronzing shade for my skin tone and somebody who's a little deeper, darker than me. Now, if you are a deep, rich skin tone, I don't know that this is gonna bronze you. And I'm not sure if Physicians Formula has more shades maybe on their website. If they don't, you know, they really need to get on top of that. But this is good for somebody around my skin tone, maybe a tan skin tone as well. Very nice, blends really nice. Also, it like, you don't know where it starts, where it finishes. This is, like I said, a true bronzy tone. And I know there's a lighter shade, obviously, for those who are fair in skin tone. It's playing really nice with my foundation too. Very, very good. I love it. I think it's good. I think this is another great product from Physicians Formula, minus like the range of color, but the formula is nice. Do a little bit more. You can definitely build the color up. Whoa. Whoa. It does have a beautiful finish. Okay, so you can layer it up for a little bit more of an intense color. It's not like, you know, it caps out at that particular color. It's nice. I always like to throw bronzer into my hairline. And take some down your neck. The neck never sees the sun. At least mine doesn't. Just to kind of make the color more even. It's really beautiful. Okay, this is a good one. Again, it's a little bit more pricey versus the LA Girl, but you are getting more color choices, one more color choice versus the LA Girl. Both are beautiful. Like I said before, if you are about my skin tone and lighter, the LA Girl one's gonna be good for you. If you're about my skin tone and deeper, maybe, like I said, like a tan, like a true tan color, you can try the Physicians Formula one. That'll work for you. So I like it. But again, I'm just gonna put my hair down. I just like to kind of see everything together, see if it looks natural, and it does. It is really nice. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one.